In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom settings to Shopify's theme customizer. Start inside your Shopify admin. On the left sidebar, click Online Store. Then click Themes. On the Themes page, find your active theme. Next to the Edit Theme button, click the three-dot menu. From that drop-down, click Edit Code. This opens the theme code editor, and you'll see your theme files listed in a panel on the left side. Now go to the file list and find the config folder. Click Config to expand it. Inside that folder, click Settings schema.json. That opens the file in the main editor. At this point, you're looking at a JSON array made up of multiple objects. Each object represents a settings group that appears under theme settings in the Shopify customizer, such as colors or typography. We're going to add one more group to this file, so it shows up in the customizer as a new set of editable settings. Scroll all the way down to the end of the file. You want to stop just before the final closing square bracket. Right above that, you'll see the last settings group ending with a closing curly bracket. Place your cursor after that final closing curly bracket for the previous group and add a comma. This comma is needed because you're inserting another object into the array. After adding the comma, paste in the JSON block provided in the description below. This block creates a new settings group called Custom Announcement. Inside that group, it defines three settings. The first is a toggle that enables or disables the announcement bar. The second is a text field for the announcement message. The third is a color picker for the background color. Because this is being added to the schema file, Shopify will use it to generate those controls automatically inside the theme settings area. Once the JSON block is pasted in, make sure it sits directly before the final closing square bracket of the file. The structure should now include the existing groups, then a comma, then your new custom announcement group, and then the closing square bracket at the very end. Now save the file. On Windows, press Ctrl+S. On Mac, press Command+S. After saving, a confirmation appears in the editor, which tells you the change has been written to the theme files. Next, we'll verify that the new settings group appears in the theme customizer. Go back to the Shopify admin navigation and click Online Store again in the left sidebar. Then, click Themes. On your active theme, click the Edit Theme button. This opens the theme customizer in a new editing view. In the top left corner of the customizer, click the gear icon. That takes you into theme settings instead of section settings. In this list, look for the new group called Custom Announcement. When you see it, click Custom Announcement to expand it. Inside, you should now see the three settings created by the schema you pasted in. You'll see the Enable Announcement bar checkbox, and it should be checked by default. You'll also see the announcement text field, and that field will already contain the default text from the schema. Then, you'll see the background color picker, and it will display the dark default color defined in that same JSON block. That confirms the custom settings group was added correctly and is now available in the theme customizer. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.